Welcome back to another episode of Lean Eating on the Go. So today we are going to Pollo Loco. This is a very popular spot. It's a franchise, so you can find it, in a lot of cities. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I would order to stay fit. And also, I am currently cutting right now, so it's a perfect time for you guys to see what I would choose for my cutting meal. And also, I'll give you some advice today. So people ask me, like, what do you look for when you're going out to these fast foods? Like, what are you looking for specifically? So what I'm looking for here is I'm making sure that whatever meal I get, it fits the 110 rule. So what is the 110 rule? This means that every 100 calories, there is 10 grams of protein. So that's called the 110 rule. So if you pick a meal and it has 600 calories, it should have at least 60 grams of protein. If you're doing that, you're pretty solid, because that means, every 1,000 calories you eat, you have 100 grams of protein. And, I own a mostly women's boot camp. So I tell most women I work with to aim for 100 grams of protein. So as long as your first 1,000 calories has 100 grams of protein, then you are pretty solid. So this one here, I don't think I've ever had this before, so I'm very curious how it'll taste. And we are going to be ordering the bacon ranch salad.
Combo?
No, just the bacon ranch salad.
Gotcha, okay.
And then that's it.
$13.80, please. Thank you. Do you want the bacon ranch dressing, or did you want the creamy cilantro?
So, actually, I got a question for you. So I'm looking at the calories online. It says like 490. Does that include the dressing?
Let me check on that.
All right, great. It probably doesn't include the dressing. The dressing has a lot of the calories. So that means we might have to eat this without the dressing.
It says it's 310.
Oh, it's 310 calories?
Yeah, for a creamy cilantro.
Oh, for the dressing,
cilantro, yeah.
right? Just the dressing itself?
Yeah.
Wow. So I'm guessing it doesn't include the dressing for the calories for the bacon ranch salad.
And the bacon ranch is, $4.90.
Without the dressing, huh?
Yeah, without the dressing.
What kind of dressing do you have again?
Creamy cilantro or the ranch?
Okay, and the creamy is 310.
Yeah.
Does it say like per ounce or per 5 ounces?
I think it says per serving.
Per serving?
Yeah, it's like 3 ounce? Yeah, 3 ounce.
3 ounce? Oh, I'll
Yeah.
try that out. Okay, 3
Creamy
ounces.
cilantro? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get that. So it's very important you make sure how many calories are in the dressing. It's always okay to ask them. They don't mind.
Have a nice day.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Have a good one. So this is a good time to talk to you guys about the accuracy of fast food. So I open it up and I'm looking at the chicken. It does not look like a lot of chicken. There's bacon, there's a little bit of cheese in here, so there's some protein from that, but it's very little. There's a little, it's so little that it doesn't even matter. And then there's also protein in vegetables as well, but it's so little, it doesn't really matter. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna actually pick out and weigh the chicken, because I know that every 100 grams of chicken, and I'm assuming this is chicken breast, every 100 grams of cooked chicken breast is about 30 grams of protein. And this whole thing is supposed to have around 60 grams of protein. So we're gonna see the accuracy of this. I'm not sure how accurate it is, but we're gonna find out right now. Bacon ranch salad. I actually went back inside and asked them when I ordered it, does it come naturally as double polo? And they said yes. You have to specifically ask for not double polo to get the regular. So we're almost done here, and I have some bad news because we're not even close to 200 grams. Don't worry, I washed my hands before I did this. Okay, some of you guys are wondering, oh, did you wash his hands? I did wash my hands. And think there's a little, I think that's pretty much all the chicken we got here. So chicken wise, there's 116 grams of chicken here. So 100 grams is about 31 grams of protein. So this right here, maybe it's like 35, around 35-ish, yeah. And then plus we have all of this left, right? The bacon, the cheese. But like I said, bacon and cheese does not have a lot of protein. It's mostly fat. So this whole thing together, maybe it's like 45 grams of protein. So we're missing probably like 15 grams of protein here, which is a lot that it's missing. So El Pollo Loco, a little disappointing in you that you're missing about 15 grams of protein in your nutrition label. But you know, as you've been doing this longer and longer, you start to get an eye for these things. Like when I opened this up, I looked at the chicken, I already thought this is kind of sus. Doesn't look like a lot of chicken. The sauce here, the sauce is supposed to be 1 ounce for like 100 calories. That's a lot. So I'm gonna try to just do 1 ounce here for me and the Y. Okay, that's about 1 ounce. So now it's 600 calories, supposedly 62 grams of protein, supposedly. But like I said, I just showed you guys, I weighed it out. It's nowhere near that much protein in chicken. And there really is not that much bacon and cheese in here to make up the remaining like 25 grams of protein it's supposed to have. All right, now the taste test. So she's gonna have half, I'm gonna have the other half. You can have the bite first, babe.
I'm gonna try to get all of the yumminess in a bite. Chicken, bacon. Mmm.
Yeah, it's that good?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Out of 10.
I love salad and I love everything in this. Is that cilantro lime dressing?
I think so, yeah, it is.
I know my dressings.
Yeah, she does. Wow, that's pretty impressive.
I'm gonna give this like a 8.5.
Not bad.
Pretty high.
8.5, okay. All right, let me try. I had bacon in so long. I don't even know what bacon tastes like anymore.
So silly.
All right. Oh yeah.
I know you like it.
Oh, it's good.
That's fire.
Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna give this for a salad 9.
Yeah.
9 out of 10 for a salad. This is pretty good.
I almost said 9, but I've tried a lot of different salads.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
This is not like the best, but this is really good.
For the low calories and the protein it provides, pretty good. So that's second episode of Lean Eating As You Go. And remember, this one, yeah, it's a little sus, the protein, you know, maybe just count it as 50 grams of protein instead of 60. But, you know, for 490 and 50 grams of protein, it still counts towards the 110 rule. Yeah. So until next time, guys, put in the comments where you want us to go next. We'll highly consider it, and we'll catch you later. Bye.